Okay, what we're going to do here is we're taking out the EGR valve and we're going to clean it out. And start out with, first of all, remove your battery, then we're going to take out the air cleaner here. Next thing we do is just pull this wire clip, this connector off right here, and get that out of the way, kind of move that back to the back side here. We've got one on top. We're going to take and pop that one up and move that on back. Get it out of the way. Just thread these wires on back through here. Get it out of the way. Okay. Now we're going to take this top piece off here. That's connected. We'll get down here and we'll get right down to that EGR valve. Looks like a 10 millimeter right here on top. Sure is. Loosen it up. Take this one off and okay, you can, alright, and then go ahead and open. Okay, with a simple 10 millimeter 1/4 inch drive socket, we just get right down here and slide right onto this first one, the easiest one to get a hold of here, and loosen that one up. I guess I omitted a connector here. It's this one plain right in front. So pop that one off. Get it out of the way. Then you can go down here and get this last bolt. Okay, we're taking the last bolt out now, and you can see with the proper extension on, it's very easy to unratchet this last little bolt. We'll pull this one off and pull it out. And boy, that one just popped right. That just fell right off. And there it is. There's our EGR valve. Right here, I don't know if you see that really, but right there is just that. This is the area we're going to clean out. We're going to clean this thing up. It's a mess. Scraping off the end of this vacuum tube here, the nipple coming out of the top of this EGR, and as you can see, there's a, or maybe not, as you can maybe see. Can you see that? Okay. This was plugged up. So what we're going to do is try to work this little hole open, and then we're going to take it over here to the tub, and we're just going to spray in some carb cleaner. Just keep cleaning this thing up. But this is how it's done. If you want to save yourself $100. And it's nice to have a little tub like this because we're just going to keep working and clean this thing until it looks like new and works like new. Now back up here to this top vacuum hole. It was completely plugged over, as you can see in the photograph. So we cleaned this thing off, took a little safety pin, kind of poked around with it. Then I grabbed some welding rod and just kind of lightly push in and out just to make sure that that was clear. What I wanted to point out here is to test this diaphragm and the actuator. Oh, there it popped. But anyhow, when you're moving this plunger back and forth, you want to look inside here, and this area was really gunked up, and I'm talking about right down inside. I don't know if you can see it, but it's where this little piston is seated in the bottom here. And what we're going to do to make sure that little piston plunger seats tight down in there, I'm gonna hold it open. And while I hold it open, I'm gonna spray in there. If you hold your thumb on the base and grip on the needle nose, hold that plunger open, and go ahead and spray more. You may not be able to see it, but there's a lot of carbon coming out, and that's what's going to help this thing work even better. So we got it all cleaned up, and we've got it sprayed out. We're actuating it. Boy, it's working. It's just working like a champ. So I think we're going to go ahead and put it back in now. We just got back. We're ready to put in this EGR. Make sure you use a new gasket. $1.62 down at the AutoZone. Okay, last vacuum line pushed on. Now we bring up our electrical and put our connectors back in here. There's 3 of them total. 1, 2, and 3. Right there, there, and there. Now we put our air hose back on. This baby should run like a champ.